Welcome to Wit and Wisdom. In this video, we'll unlock the hidden world of sushi and reveal the secrets to impress your friends with your sushi knowledge. Join us as we explore three words, Otoro, Futuro, and Okomi, that will help you sound like a true sushi connoisseur. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into the delicious details, let's understand the basics of sushi. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish consisting of vinegared rice, topped with fresh fish or other ingredients. There are various types of sushi, but we'll focus on the most coveted, tuna nigiri sushi. Okomi, the classic delight. Okomi, commonly known as red meat, is the leaner part of the tuna. Typically it's what you get served when ordering tuna. While not as fatty as Otoro or Futuro, it still delivers a delightful taste that sushi purists appreciate. When ordering Okomi, consider asking the chef about the fish's age, species or the technique used to preserve its freshness, demonstrating your passion for sushi's nuances. Otoro, the jewel of sushi. Otoro, the creme de la creme of sushi, is a cut from the prize bluefin tuna belly. It boasts an exceptionally rich and buttery texture, practically melting in your mouth. Otoro's marbling is a telltale sign of its high fat content, making it a delicacy among sushi enthusiasts. When ordering Otoro, use phrases like "Please bring us the finest Otoro available" to showcase your discerning taste. If they offer Otoro, you can ask about the size of the fish. Typically, the bigger the tuna, the richer the Otoro. Futuro, a symphony of flavors. Next on our journey is Futuro, another slice from the bluefin tuna, positioned between Otoro and Okomi in terms of fat content. Futuro is a delicacy. It comes from the side of the fish and only really big tuna have enough flesh to produce Futuro. Futuro strikes a perfect balance of tenderness and taste. To impress your friends, inquire about the tuna's origin and species. Is it a Pacific bluefin, or perhaps an Atlantic? If you don't feel like ordering it, whatever their answer is, look disappointed as if you wanted the other one. While some people know Otoro, very few know Futuro. Therefore it's rare that they have any, so make sure to look disappointed and tell your friends to try it in the future. You will look brilliant. The art of pairing. Pairing your sushi with the right accompaniments can elevate the experience further. Gari, pickled ginger, cleanses the palate between bites, enhancing the flavors. Wasabi, if used, should be applied sparingly to avoid overpowering the delicate taste of the fish. And of course, don't forget to dip your sushi gently into a small dish of soy sauce, fish side down, to savor the umami without drowning it. But do not, I repeat, do not, mix the wasabi with the soy sauce. Congratulations! You now possess the knowledge to impress your friends when ordering sushi like a seasoned connoisseur. Remember to savor the textures and flavors of Otoro, Futuro, and Okomi while appreciating the craftsmanship of sushi chefs. Your newfound sushi expertise will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression on your dining companions. In the future, we will explore other topics, like how to engage in small talk, art appreciation, even how to order steak like a master. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wit and Wisdom for more entertaining and insightful content on becoming the best version of yourself. Until next time, stay curious, stay sophisticated, and keep elevating your life. Subscribe, like, comment, share.